make your vehicle shine again, how to clean your vehicle with little to no money without damaging the paint. Yeah, we'll show you everything in details. Guys, if you're not a subscriber, give me a favor, click that subscribe button and that notification bell. Appreciate it so much. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started.
It looks pretty messy and dirty. It's been sitting outside on the street for a while, and all the raindrops fall in, make it look pretty ugly. And we're gonna turn it into this. So this is how it's gonna look at the end. So if you want to know how to do it, let's go. First, you're gonna need the kit that's gonna have all these essential tools to wash your vehicle, to prep it for waxing. And it has a bucket of water with the grate on the bottom, plus some essential tools to wash, like brushes and soft pads and for scrubbing. So step number one, we're gonna put some cleaning wax and gonna wash our truck first. So put some water and some wax into the bucket, fill it up, and then use another bucket for clean water just so we can wash it. So now let's wash it. So start from the bottom and keep going up. That's how you usually wash your vehicle, so you can see where the dirt is. And wash it thoroughly all the way, all around. And then you can use this scrubbers and then just wash it nice and clean with the soap, with the soapy water. So put it all over your car and all over your truck, and make it all soapy. Make sure guys, when you are washing it, don't go all the way down first, because there is lots of dirt on the bottom part of the vehicle usually, so you don't want to get all this dirt and then scrape your paint. Even though you're gonna polish it, but still you want to just kind of keep it nice. There's gonna be way less work to polish it. You can also do like some of your wheels, as long as you're doing your whole cleaning, so you might as well do the wheels and then yeah, so make it look good. Scrub. There's a really good set of brushes in that kit, so I decided to use them and give them a try. They seem to work really good. So here's gonna be our kit that we're gonna use for waxing. It's gonna have the... So here's our things we're gonna use for waxing. It's gonna be the polisher, and then we're gonna have the special clay to remove like sticky sand and that stick to your paint. And that kit also has some towel and spray wax, but we're not gonna use that today. Also, you're gonna need a plastic bag, and this is the clay, how it looks. You have to like press pretty hard and then keep folding it so you don't get the same like pieces of sand and little particles that stick to the clay, so you don't keep scratching your car like that. So keep folding it, and then once you do it once or twice and 3 times, and then just fold it and then do it again, and this will remove the particles that are sticking to your paint. And then you can use a plastic bag, to see if it's actually nice and smooth. So this is the wax we're going to use today. Just put a little bit of wax on the bonnet, and then just so you spread evenly, and then put a little bit on your surface, and then start waxing. Don't forget to move all the time, never stop at one spot, and so it doesn't burn through your paint, because it spins pretty fast, like it's spinning about 1000 RPM. So yeah, you want to keep moving and go all around your car. Do one section at a time. I like to do, for example, like a door first, and then do the second door. And while I'm doing the second door, the first door is already getting haze on it, like on this hood, you can see that it's getting haze, and that means that the wax is actually changing its form, and it's gonna be penetrating those scratches in your paint, like in your clear coat. And once it's turned like that, you can use a towel, microfiber towel, and then you start wiping it off, and it will look awesome. It will look so shiny, you won't believe. You can see how much difference it makes to have a wax job done, because it's really worth it. It takes a little bit of time, but it's really worth it at the end. So I usually use one side of the towel first. Yeah, see how it looks. You can really see there's all these minor scratches are gone, and it's really get that reflective look on your vehicle, and your paint looks just like it came out from the factory. So definitely worth doing it. And yeah, you're gonna notice a big difference once it's done. So yeah, like I said, usually use a towel, microfiber towel. It works really good. Just use it on one side and then go on another side. Like once you get a lot of wax on it, just flip it over and just do the other side. You can also use it after you're done cleaning the wax from the surface of your car. You can just clean inside of your doors. This will keep it from getting dirty in the future. And the last little bit, but not the least, just do the tire shine, and then your truck's gonna look perfect at the end. So, alright.
If this video was helpful, entertaining, interesting to watch, or one of those, please put a thumbs up. Appreciated that. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Appreciated that. Yeah. If you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, recommendations, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. Yeah, I have a whole Nissan, Titan, Xterra, Frontier playlist. Yeah, if you like Nissans, you're welcome to watch. I will put it down in the description, pin it a comment up above. Yeah, take care everybody, and I see you next one. Bye bye.